I'm going to say here is the trick about K. I saw more people with blank, with no work on K than any other problem. And I don't know if it's the fractions or they just didn't know how to start. But this is a piece of advice. Whenever you see fractions, make them go away. That's your first step. So to make them go away, what you do is you find the least common multiple of the denominators. You may remember this from previous years, but this is especially helpful in chemistry. Are any of you in chemistry this year? Okay, your teacher will be super excited to know that you know how to get rid of fractions. So you look at 4 and 2 and 5 and you ask yourself, what's the smallest number that all three of them will go into? And that's 20. Which means your next step is just multiply everything by 20. And it will cancel out the fractions, right? It will make them go away. So that's why I put multiply by the least common multiple. So if I multiply by 20 on this side and 20 on this side, remember that you have to multiply both terms. It's not just one. So this 20 cancels with this 4 to leave you with 5. And this 20 cancels over here with this 2, so you get 10. On the other side of the equals, 20 cancels with 5, so we end up with 4, and then that 4 will multiply this 4. So you end up with 15 minus 10x equals 16. This point where the arrow is, I know that every one of you can solve this problem. But I also know that some of you didn't do this because it doesn't look like that. So make the fractions go away first.